Hi guys, I'm Shane. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Gomane. I share business ideas that we can all relate to as South Africans. So if you like the type of content that I create, please consider to subscribe, tweet the notification button so you'll be notified each and every time whenever I post a video. So guys, today we are going to talk about how you can start a tutoring business in South Africa. So now let's talk about what tutoring is. Tutoring is actually a private academic support usually provided by an expert or someone with deep knowledge in a particular subject or subjects. So if you know yourself that you are an expert, let's say in math, science, accounting, or business studies, this one is for you. It doesn't matter whether you are employed or unemployed, you can actually do this business. So now let's talk about the steps that you will need to follow for you to get started with this particular business. Now let's talk about location and premises. Where you will be conducting lessons matters whether the lessons are online or offline. So if you want to offer online tutoring, you need to make sure that you have a quiet place with a stable connection to conduct your lessons with ease. And then for tutors, for tutors that will travel to the students' premises, you need to make sure that you are close to the students' location so that you don't have to travel far. So this applies to also the students who are going to be traveling to your premises. You need to make sure that you are not far from them so that it will be favorable for them, because remember, you do not want them to complain about the cost of traveling. So okay, now let's talk about the equipment for your tutoring business. So okay, a tutoring business does not need complicated tools and equipment. So the tools and equipment will be determined by the type of tutoring you will provide and the subject you will be teaching. So okay, for example, let's say you want to specialize in accounting. So here are some of the equipment that you will need for you to get started with your tutoring business in accounting. So you will need to have books about accounting, or you need to have textbooks about accounting, and for that for the specific grades that you will be tutoring. And then you also need to have study guides and previous exam papers, including memorandums. So you will also need stationery. So if you want to opt for online tutoring, you will need to have internet connection as well as your laptop. So okay, please don't forget that when you go for online tutoring, you need to make sure that the place that you will be conducting your lessons is quiet. So now let's talk about products and services. So your products and services should include the course content, which comprises of materials and lessons you will provide, and texting or exam preparation, among other services. So now let's talk about staff. If your business do well, you will definitely to hire staff. But if since you are starting out, please try by all means that you do not get any staff, because you don't want to pay people while your business is still trying to grow. So you need to make sure that you grow your business, and then when you see that there's a need, that is when you can consider to hire staff. So do you have to register to become a tutor in South Africa? Okay, the tutoring industry is pretty much free from official regulations, because there are no specific qualifications or certificates that you need to have. But when your business grows, you will definitely need to register your business with CIPC for tax purposes. So okay, how much can you charge for tutoring in South Africa? Okay, this is how much you can actually charge for your tutoring business. So you can charge between 180 to 200 rands per hour. However, the more hours you do, for your students, the lower the rate you should charge. So please make sure that you go low when you are required to actually, to tutor for maybe for more than 4 to 5 hours or somewhere there. You need to go low. So that's it for today. I will see you on the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.